Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to control headers and footers in long word document. So are you tired of headers and footers getting out of control in your long word documents? In this video, I will show you how to master headers and footers easily. So, of course, before we do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tutorials. And if you're new here on our channel, welcome. Please give us a like and introduce yourself in the comments below. So, headers and footers are essential for adding page numbers, titles, and other information to your document. But when you're working with long documents, things can get messy sometimes. So don't worry, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. I have here a document. Let me share with you. So I have here this document with four chapters, one chapter each page. And I would like to have details on the header part, which is the top part. Footer is on the bottom part, of course. So first, let's talk about the basics. Headers and footers are section specific. So you'll need to work with sections. So let me show you how to insert section in each page. So if like, for example, you would like to have a different header on each page without moving the data to the next page, then we will use section breaks. How are we going to do that? Like for example, on when you are here on the first page, just click on layout tab and then you click on breaks. If you would like to start on that page itself, on that first page, what you need to do is to choose continuous. But if you would like to start on the next page, then you just have to click on the next page here. So for this example, we are going to use the continuous. So if I click this, you will notice that I'm still here on this page. Now I am going to add a header on the first page. But if like, for example, like what I've mentioned earlier, I would like a different headers on each page. So since I've already insert a section break here, I need to do it on the second page too. Just click on layout, breaks, and then continues. And then here as well, breaks, continues. Then here as well, breaks, continues. Then let's start adding a header here. So click here, click on Insert tab. Then you will see here there's a header and footer group here. I'll just click on header. When I click on header, you will see here the different styles of header. Like for example, I would like to use this one. If you notice, once we add a header here, it will be applied to all of your pages. But as I have mentioned earlier, we've already created or inserted a section break on each page. So for us to navigate or control the three documents or the three pages on this document, if you see this same as previous, you just have to click this one. And under the navigation, you have to click on link to previous. That is, you will be allowed to enter or insert another header here. Let's do the same on the third page. Don't forget to click this link to preview so that it will be unlinked to the previous format or style. Click this one. As you can see, they are still the same. But since there was a section break inserted earlier, this will allow us to insert another header style. Got it? We can do the same here. Go to Insert tab and then Header. Let's try this one. And then here, you go back to Insert, Header. Then let's try this one. And there you go. This is actually the same with footer. We go to insert, footer. You try this one. And as mentioned earlier, once you applied a footer or you inserted a footer on the first page, it will be applied to all of the pages in your document. So we are just going to do the same thing. Click on same as previous, go to navigation group, and click this link to previous for it to be unlinked. Same with this one. Same with this one. So here, if like for example, you would like to add something, it's either you can delete it and like for example, you want to add an address. You would like to add an address here. That can be done since there was a section break inserted earlier. And then here, if you would like to put another style of footer, you can do it as well. So let's say you would like this one. And then here, you would like it to be a different one as well. Then you can do that too. So that is how section breaks worked and unlinking it from the previous format. So what if like, for example, you want different headers and footers for odd and even pages? That can also be done. All you need to do is to click this one under the header and footer tab and different odd and even pages. So that can be done by doing such. But if you would like it to be a separate header and footer on each page, then you just don't have to click on this one so that you can have different details on each page. Now, what if, like for example, you would like to copy the header and footer of this document? So if you create a new page, automatically the last header and footer you inserted, that is going to be the same on the next page. So I hope that is helpful and you were able to learn on how are you going to control the header and footer. So all you need to do is to navigate it through the header and footer navigation tab. Then you can use the insert tab and the layout tab for inserting a section break. So that's it. You know now how to control the headers and footers easily. So thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you need help with Word, check out our other tutorials or drop us a comment, and we will be happy to answer whatever questions you may have. We'll catch you in the next video.